Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to use body effects in CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. First, open your CapCut application and import your video in the CapCut by tapping on this import icon. The next thing is drag that video to the editing section of CapCut like me. Now let's find the body effects so we can use all the effects on our video. So how can you find? You can see a lot of options on the left top: media, audio, text, stickers. And here's the option effects. Tap on this option. And here are all the available effects of CapCut. But we don't need to use it, because these are not the body effects. These are the simple effects. And if you will use it, nothing will be changed on body. So let's find body effects. From here, scroll down, and here you can find the option body effects. Tap on it. And here are all the body effects. As you can see, if we apply it, our video has been changed. And just for showing you, I will use an effect. I will use this one. So tap on it and download it and paste it on the video. Now play the video and let's have a final look. As you can see, this effect has been applied on the body as well as on the background. So find your effect, which you like the most. And it was the primary way by which you can add body effects in CapCut.